Welcome to AI Simplified.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel AI Simplified. In this video, we discuss if SQL is required for data science or not. If you have done or doing online courses or some other project, most probably you will be using pandas read CSV function or pandas some other function to get your data set. So it's hard to understand SQL importance. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. The definition of SQL from Wikipedia is SQL is a domain specific language used in programming and designed for managing data held in the relational database management system. As you can see, data word is in definition itself, but the question still remains, do you need it for data science? Interesting results from Indeed job posting data from last year shows SQL is most needed skills for data jobs. I took these graphs from a blog. You can find the link in description. It's a good read. It is still the most needed skills for data analyst jobs, and third for data scientist, and second for data engineer jobs. As you can see from above shown graphs, SQL is pretty important in data science field. I learned it hard way. I got rejected in 2 interviews because of my SQL skills for scientist role, although I am working in this field for almost 4 years. So we definitely need to know SQL. But the second question is how much? SQL is pretty big. SQL have many things like views, triggers, functions, injections, procedures, CRUD operations. We don't need knowledge of all these things, mostly taken care by the database department people. However, do need to know CRUD operations from my personal experience as data scientist, where I was always spoon-fed SQL queries, but I do read them, and interviews you only need to know CRUD operations. The reason for this is you will understand in the next 2 upcoming slides. CRUD stands for create operations, read operations, update operations, and delete operations. All the data in the company is stored in tables in some database. It can be Hive, MySQL, or some other database. You extract the data by making a connection using libraries like PyHive, JDB API, and some other library. Then you do pre-processing. Here the Dino is our ML model. You run the ML model on data, generate the results, and store mostly in new table in database. However, you don't even need all CRUD operations. Create, delete, and update are not allowed operation for data scientists, mostly taken care by the database team. So all you need to know is the read operation. However, read operation is not simple like this. Select star from table name. But this, you should be very good with joins, aggregate functions, and subqueries. However, the good news is SQL is easy to learn. You can do it in 2 days with an online learning course to get in shape. Most important, you should practice SQL. Reading about it won't help. I use HackerRank. They have lot of problems to solve. A humble request to my viewers, please subscribe if you want to get notification for more data science content, like what are important skills to get a data science job in 2022. I will soon be starting data science interview question topic wise series like machine learning, deep learning. Please comment if you want me to create a crash course on SQL focused only on data science part. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.